So I'm a Heightsman and I'm acting Apprenticeship Delivery Manager for East Sussex College Group. At East Sussex College Group, we offer FE courses, HE courses, apprenticeships and the new and upcoming T-levels. Apprenticeships is obviously my passion, that's where I work it. I was an apprentice as well here. 6 years ago, I did an apprenticeship in business admin. We recruit an apprentice because we're a training provider, we deliver apprenticeships and show other employers that we also train apprentices. It's a really good way for any person that wants an apprentice to learn whilst they work as well. We employ mainly business admin here at the college, but we also do AAT, which is different levels. That'll be level 2 right through to level 4. We have previously delivered for customer service here in the students facing roles like student services, and we also do management, so any managers could do an apprenticeship alongside their role to gain a level 3 or level 5 management qualification. Especially in our department, all of our apprentices have gone on to full-time employment with the college, and then they've progressed into different roles. For example, myself, I was employed as a level 2 business admin apprentice, and then progressed and did level 3 business admin, and since then I've become an administrator, a compliance officer, and now a delivery manager. So I think there's definitely progression for anyone that wants to come in. It doesn't matter what level you start at. The key skills I'll be looking for in an apprentice is communication. We have to communicate with a lot of learners and a lot of employers. And if you don't have those skills, it can be difficult for anyone stepping into a role. Somebody should come and do an apprenticeship here because we offer a good apprenticeship programme and learners get to learn whilst they're working, which is an important factor to most people. If you ever moved on in the future, a lot of employers would see that you've done an apprenticeship and you've got the work-based skills to move forward.